Think of one thing you would change if you knew the secrets to time travel. Imagine for a moment that time isn't just a sequence of events laid out in a neat, orderly fashion. Instead, picture it as a winding, unpredictable path, full of unexpected twists and turns. What if it was a twisty-turny roller coaster with loops and drops? Envision a roller coaster ride where each loop and drop represents a different moment in time. 1 second, you're reliving a cherished memory from your childhood, and the next, you're catapulted into a future you can barely comprehend. Imagine hopping off at any point, past or future. Tempting, right? Picture yourself stepping off a train, not into a familiar station, but into a completely different era. One moment, you're in the roaring 20s, and the next, you're in a futuristic cityscape. Time travel has captivated our imaginations for centuries. From the earliest myths to the latest sci-fi blockbusters, the concept of moving through time has always fascinated us. It's the ultimate what if. What if we could go back and change the past? What if we could see what the future holds? These questions have fueled countless stories and sparked endless debates. Would we fix past mistakes? Imagine having the power to go back and undo the wrongs of the past, to mend broken relationships, correct bad decisions, and create a better future. Get a sneak peek at the future. On the flip side, what if we could glimpse the future? To see the advancements in technology, the evolution of society, and the changes in our world. The very idea bends our minds and tickles our funny bones. The concept of time travel is both mind-bending and amusing. It challenges our perceptions and makes us question everything we know about time and space. But is time travel just a sci-fi fantasy? We've seen it in movies, read about it in books, and imagined it in our dreams. But is it really possible? Or is it just a figment of our collective imagination? Or could it become reality? Scientists and researchers have been exploring the concept of time travel for decades. From Einstein's theory of relativity to the latest advancements in quantum physics, the idea of moving through time is not as far-fetched as it once seemed. Buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the science, history, and mind-blowing possibilities of time travel. Join us as we explore the theories, the experiments, and the incredible stories that have shaped our understanding of time travel. Hold on tight, this is going to be one bumpy, thought-provoking trip. Get ready to challenge your perceptions, expand your mind, and embark on an unforgettable journey through the realms of time. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, this exploration of time travel will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the past, present, and future. So strap in and prepare for a ride like no other. Let's get scientific, but don't worry, no boring lectures here. We're diving into the fascinating world of physics, where the boundaries of reality are pushed and the impossible becomes possible. Today, we're going to explore the mind-bending concepts of time and space and how they can be manipulated in ways that seem straight out of a science fiction novel. Einstein, the ultimate physics rock star, gave us the key to understanding time travel, his theory of relativity. This groundbreaking theory revolutionized our understanding of the universe, showing us that time and space are not fixed entities, but are flexible and interconnected. Einstein's equations, scribbled on blackboards and in notebooks, opened up a new realm of possibilities for scientists and dreamers alike. It's like this. Time and space are BFFs, always hanging out together. They form a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time, where every event that occurs in the universe is mapped out. Imagine space-time as a vast, invisible grid that stretches across the cosmos, with every star, planet, and galaxy embedded within it. And guess what? They can be bent. Just like a piece of flexible material, space-time can be warped and curved by the presence of mass and energy. This means that the very fabric of the universe is not static but dynamic, constantly being shaped and reshaped by the objects within it. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline. It creates a dip, right? This is a simple analogy to help us visualize how massive objects like stars and planets warp the space-time around them. The more massive the object, the deeper the dip it creates, and the more it influences the movement of other objects nearby. Massive objects like stars and black holes do the same thing to space-time. They create deep wells in the fabric of space-time, causing other objects to move along curved paths. This is why planets orbit stars and why light bends around massive objects. They are following the curved paths created by the warping of space-time. This bending is what we perceive as gravity. Gravity is not a force pulling objects together, but rather the result of objects moving along the curved paths in the warped space-time. This revolutionary idea changed our understanding of gravity and opened up new possibilities for exploring the universe. And get this, the stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, means that time passes at different rates depending on the strength of the gravitational field. Near a massive object like a black hole, time slows down significantly compared to areas with weaker gravity, such as the surface of the Earth. So, theoretically, if you could hang out near a black hole, bad idea. Time would slow down for you compared to folks back on Earth. This means that you could experience a few hours while years pass by for those far from the black hole. This mind-boggling concept has been explored in science fiction, but it is rooted in the real physics of our universe. But what about actual time travel, you ask? The idea of moving through time, either to the past or the future, has captivated human imagination for centuries. From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to modern movies and TV shows, the concept of time travel has been a staple of science fiction. But is it really possible? Well, that's where things get really trippy. While time travel to the past remains highly speculative and fraught with paradoxes, traveling to the future is theoretically possible through the effects of time dilation. By traveling at speeds close to the speed of light, or by spending time in a strong gravitational field, one could experience time at a different rate than those in a weaker gravitational field or at rest. Some scientists believe wormholes could be the answer shortcuts through space-time connecting different points in time. These hypothetical tunnels could allow for instantaneous travel between distant parts of the universe or even different times. The idea of wormholes comes from solutions to Einstein's equations, suggesting that such structures could exist under certain conditions. Think of it like a cosmic shortcut through the universe. If wormholes exist, they could provide a way to bypass the vast distances and timescales of the cosmos, allowing for rapid travel across space and time. However, the existence of wormholes remains purely theoretical, and many challenges would need to be overcome to make them a reality. The study of wormholes and other exotic concepts in theoretical physics continues to push the boundaries of our understanding. Scientists use advanced mathematics and computer simulations to explore these ideas, seeking to uncover the fundamental nature of the universe. While we may not have all the answers yet, the pursuit of knowledge drives us to keep asking questions and seeking new discoveries. Our journey to understand time and space is ongoing, with each new discovery building on the work of those who came before. From the early astronomers who mapped the stars to the modern physicists probing the depths of space-time, humanity's quest to understand the cosmos is a testament to our curiosity and ingenuity. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, we may one day unlock the secrets of time travel and other incredible phenomena. The future holds endless possibilities, and the advancements in science and technology will undoubtedly lead to new and exciting discoveries. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that the universe is a vast and wondrous place, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Whether it's bending time and space or traveling to distant galaxies, the possibilities are limited only by our imagination and our drive to explore. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and who knows? Maybe one day we'll find ourselves bending time and space in ways we never thought possible. The universe is out there waiting for us to discover its secrets. Let's go find them.